Hey, gorgeous. Today, I'm going to show you some super simple alternatives so you can get started right away with tools you probably already use. Now, you know I love boards and Calendly, but I'm going to give you just some alternatives in case you haven't learned them yet. And I am Jodie Kramer, your virtual pink party coach and Mary Kay consultant, and I'm on a mission to help you throw fun, successful virtual parties without overcomplicating it. And if you haven't checked out my 5-day virtual party challenge yet, go check that out for a complete look at how to hold fun parties, the complete system from beginning to end. That's the 5-day virtual party challenge. It's in my playlist. Okay, so I love Calendly and boards, but in this video, I'm going to give you quick alternatives to Calendly and boards. I've been holding these really awesome consultant-only parties, and one of the things that the feedback that I've heard is that not everyone they've not learned Calendly yet, or they don't have boards yet, or something like that. So I've been trying to give some alternatives because I want you to be able to start hosting parties right now, even if you haven't learned those apps yet. So before we dive in, if you want to attend one of those, one of my consultant only sample parties, I'll have the link to register in the description that will take you through the whole guest experience. Okay, so Calendly is amazing for automation, but I know not everyone's ready to set it up right away. So I do have some alternatives for you. One is Google Forms. And this, Calendly takes the place of forms and all those and scheduling and all that good stuff. But Google Forms can do the job. It creates a simple RSVP form. You get their name, email, phone, their address, so you can send them pamper packs, their skin type, who is your hostess, so you make sure you get the right person, their primary skincare concern, and honor their commitment statement. Very important to get that honor your commitment statement. It says something like, I'll be sending you a free pamper pack, so please honor your commitment and join us live. If you're unable to attend, please book another session. Please type yes if that sounds fair. That's just a little example for you. And then you share the link with your host to send out to her guests. And then bonus, all responses from a Google form go into a spreadsheet. So it's like an instant guest list. So there you go. And then the second part of Calendly are reminders, reminder text messages and reminder emails. I know, that's why I love Calendly. They do it for me. But instead of Calendly reminders that you can just schedule your text and email reminders. So iPhone has built-in scheduling, the Shortcuts app. Android has Google Messages scheduling, or you can use an app like Project Broadcast, which is what I use, and it works really, really well. I switched from Scipio recently to Project Broadcast. I like it a lot better, and it's less expensive. It's just a little, there you go. You can set reminders for 1 week before, 2 days before, the day before, the morning of, and 20 minutes before. Make sure and include the Zoom link and the Zoom ID number, the little ID number in the last 3 reminders, because there's nothing, you've probably been there where someone sends you a link somewhere, but you're searching everywhere for it because it was just once and you're not sure where it is. So make sure and include that link, so no matter where they go, they can find it in the text message and the email. So how about boards? Boards keeps all your scripts in one place. I love it, but maybe you don't have it set up yet. So here's some alternatives for you. You can create a simple doc, a Google Doc, with all your scripts, invites, reminders, follow-ups, closing sheets, all that good stuff, and organize it with headings and color coding in Google Docs. Then you can just copy and paste from your doc into your text when you need them. Or the second solution is you can create phone text replacements. So I don't know if you know what this is, but it's really cool. You put in a little shortcut, and then every time you put that shortcut in, your whole text comes up. It's text replacement. So in iPhone, go to Settings, General, Keyboard, Text Replacement, And in Android, go to Settings, System, Languages and Input, Personal Dictionary. So for example, you're going to type number 1, invite. And then you're going to put, hi, I'm inviting you to all the things. Number 2, dates available. Number 3, get registered. Number 1 is the first text that you send. Number 2, number 3, see what I mean there? And your full party invite, pops up. So you don't have to type it all out every single time. And if you want the full party board so you can copy and paste, go to my Stand store, there's lots of free resources on there. In there is a free board with a free 30-face challenge miracle party. It's something that I always use whenever I need to revamp or rebook. I'm doing a challenge, 30-face challenge, and it's a 30-face miracle challenge. So that's in my Stand store, and the link will be in the description. And then you can add shortcuts for invites, reminders, thank yous, follow-up questions, all that good stuff. So this is like having your own mini boards app built into your phone, and then you don't have to download anything. See, you don't need all the apps. I would encourage you. It does make it easier, but you don't need all the apps to start hosting virtual parties. I want you to be able to host right now. So that way, whatever you have, and most people are familiar with Google Forms, Google Docs, text replacement, and those kinds of things. So use Google Forms and schedule texts and emails for your invites, and Google Docs or text replacement for your scripts. Simple, free, and ready to roll out right now. If you haven't seen, go to my 5-day virtual party challenge to get all the other information, and grab your free scripts, closing sheets, and more in my Stand store. So comment below. Tell me, which one are you going to try first? Google Forms, text replacement? I would love to know. And was this helpful? Was this helpful? What would you like to see in my next video? I have lots of ideas, but I need to know, what do you want to see in my next video? And if you want to attend one of my consultant-only parties, come have fun with us. They are so much fun. I have met so many consultants from around the United States. And register below. You'll get the recording, you'll get a complete party script, and whatever else I have for you that day. I throw in some other stuff. And click the little subscription button so you don't miss any of my virtual party tips. And I will catch you next time. Thank you. Bye, gorgeous.